The sky is waking slowly now. Golden light on quiet ground. Every worry fades away as the morning learns my name.
I don't need to run.
I don't need to speak. I'm right here, and my heart is free.
This view feels like peace, like I can finally breathe. No rush, no fear, no noise inside, just stillness over me. This view feels like peace. Rivers moving soft and slow, holding truths we've always known.
Time feels lighter in this place. Grace is written on this space.
This view feels like peace, like I can finally breathe. No rush, no fear, no noise inside, just stillness over me. This view feels like peace. I'll stay here a little while. Let the silence teach me peace.
The air is quiet all around. The world feels lighter from within. Every thought begins to show as gentle moments start to flow. I lay my worries down. I feel the silence now. Stillness over me, like the calm of ancient seas. I am held, I am free. Stillness over me. Clouds are drifting soft and white. Time moves like a gentle tide. Nothing pulling at my mind, only peace I seem to find. I let the moment stay. There's nothing left to say.